Today we will see some important exercises we will need to improve our form both in martial arts and in the gymnastics too. Before we continue, make sure that you have pressed the subscribe button so with this way you can help me a lot. I make more interesting content. And now let's go to the video. My name is Constantine and we reach at the end of another video. These some of my exercises that I will use 3 times per week to keep my body in shape. I will not analyze separately in this video because it will take a lot of time. I am waiting for your comments below. What exercise you want analyzed separately in my future videos? I see you next time.